Hi, so as promised, I've got some alternative activities that you can do if you don't have access to the garden. You can still use the colander, and with that you can use some spaghetti, and all your child needs to do is to put the spaghetti in the hole and see how many they can fit into the colander. For my sensory tray, you can still do it even if you don't have any flower petals. What you can use is some herbs from the fridge, like sage, rosemary, thyme, whatever you have on hand, and the children can just make their own concoctions with that. And you can add maybe some flavored tea that they can add to the water. That will be a lovely sensory experience for them as well. Last thing, if you don't have any leaves that you can cut with your scissors, you can cut them some strips. Maybe start off with really narrow strips, and you might have to hold it for them while they cut until they a little bit more confident, and then they can maybe hold it themselves, because it takes quite a bit of coordination to hold the strip and to use the scissors. Enjoy.